Are you ready to see how the new stimulus payments might affect your pocketbook and the economy? Tune in, because this might revolutionize the money landscape for millions. Stimulus payments are funds provided by the government to help individuals and families when the economy is uncertain. These payments usually surface during recessions, pandemics, or economic crises to assist people in paying for basic needs. The main objective of stimulus checks is to increase consumer purchases. When individuals have additional money in their pockets, they will tend to use it to buy goods, services, or pay debts. This money flow keeps enterprises afloat and ensures that jobs are retained. Historically, stimulus payments have been an important tool in stabilizing economies. In the recent global pandemic, governments in many cases made multiple rounds of payments, directly injecting cash into the hands of citizens and spurring economic rebound. But stimulus payments also pose some big financial questions. Will they spark inflation, boosting demand? Will they lead governments to borrow more so that they end up raising taxes in the future? These are questions economists work through carefully before signing off on new rounds of payments. For individuals, the key is to know how to wisely use stimulus money. Rather than consuming it at once, it may be wise to set it aside for emergencies, use it to pay off high-interest debt, or invest in long-term financial objectives. Carefully thought-out decisions can transform a single payment into long-term financial stability. Businesses, too, are impacted by stimulus programs. When people have a surplus of cash, they spend more, and therefore companies earn more revenue. Small businesses especially benefit from this increase, which recovers them from downturns in the economy. Stimulus checks also affect stock markets. If investors anticipate greater support from the government, they look forward to increased expenditure, thereby pushing up stock prices in industries such as retail, travel, and entertainment. Concerns of inflation or increased interest rates also make markets volatile, however. It's important to stay informed about eligibility requirements, payment dates, and any changes in government policies. Missing updates could mean missing out on financial support you're entitled to receive. Always rely on trusted sources for accurate information. Stimulus checks are more than free money. They're an economic stabilizer, job saver, and family lifeline during hard times. By understanding how they work and how to use them effectively, you can make smarter financial choices for your future.